In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, causing the "You're Without a Summer." Crops failed and snow fell in June across Europe and North America. This bizarre climate anomaly led to widespread famine and disease. But did you know it also inspired Mary Shelley to write Frankenstein? As the skies darkened, she and her friends, including Lord Byron, gathered in a villa in Switzerland, crafting ghost stories to pass the time. This eerie atmosphere birthed a literary masterpiece. How often does a volcanic eruption shape literature? The eruption's impact lingered, altering history and art forever.